Hello students, today I am going to teach you a new topic, network security. It is one of the very important topic if you are pursuing BCA, BSc IT or MCA or other competitive examination, and for other project work also it is very important. And these days, as you know, that it is the era of computer science and there are cyber frauds who are there to take our confidential information, who used to take our personal detail to invade the personal detail, and they used to take the huge amount of money from people's account. So we need to know what is network security. As we are using technical devices these days. People are tech savvy, means without technological things they can't do anything. So we should have some basic knowledge of network security. So what is network security? As you can see, it is an activity designed to protect the usability and integrity of our network and data. Protect the usability and integrity of the network. Integrity means what is the original feature of a equipment. If I am using a Bluetooth device, then what is the original function of a Bluetooth device? Means that Bluetooth device will provide me all the essential information, and whenever I try to connect, then I will be connected to all the nearby devices. So that is the integrity of the Bluetooth device. So that is network security, means it will provide the integrity. It includes both hardware and software technologies. It targets a variety of threats, hardware and software technologies. When we are talking about network, then these days we are assembling local area network, wide area network, and metropolitan area network. And software technologies means we are surrounded with lots of software. Anything we are using, whether we are using smartphones or tab, we are surrounded with the softwares. It targets a variety of threats. It stops them from entering or spreading on your network. There is a term called cryptography. What is the cryptography? I have explained a thing called cookie, that it is used in the process of authentication. In authentication, whenever I am trying to log in my user ID, then whenever I am filling my user ID and password, if it is correct, then it is matching with the sign up information whatever we are providing. But if in case it is false, then we are getting a validation information, authentication information, that please enter your correct user ID and password. So in the field of cryptography, it is a process of securing information and communication through the use of codes. There is a specified code so that only those persons for whom the information is intended can understand it and process it. The prefix crypt means hidden and suffix graphy means writing, means hidden written information are mentioned in the keys. What is cryptography? It is the technique which are used to protect information and are obtained from mathematical concept and a set of rule based calculation known as algorithm to convert message in a way that make it hard to decode. Every program or every process has its algorithm. And now we are talking about cryptography. To encrypt a key, to encrypt a password, to decrypt a password, then there has to be an algorithm. Features of cryptography means cryptography is a process when we try to make a code to encrypt a password, and we try to make a code to decrypt the same password. Feature of cryptography, first one is confidentiality. Any information has its property that it is confidential, can be accessed by the person for whom it is intended, and no other person except him can access it. Confidential information means if any information is made for me, then it will be accessible by me only. No other person can access that. And if they will try to do that, they will not be able to open that. Second one is integrity. Information cannot be modified in storage or transition between sender and receiver without any addition to information being detected. Integrity means if I have declared that I will store the particular type of data in some field, then there I will declare that data only. I will not be able to declare another kind of data. Non-repudiation. The creator or sender of information cannot deny his intention to send information. Means whoever is sending you any data or whoever is receiving the data has to give the written notice that why they want the information from you. Authentication. The identity of sender and receiver are confirmed, as well as destination or origin of information is confirmed. Now we have some types of cryptography. First one is hash function, second one is symmetric key, and third one is asymmetric key. What is symmetric key cryptography? In symmetric key, it is an encryption system. Encryption means to make anything in a coded form, where the sender and receiver of the message use a single common key to encrypt and decrypt message. Means to put a password, we are using same key, and to remove the password, we are using same key. Symmetric key system are faster and simpler, but the problem is that sender and receiver have to somehow exchange key in a secure manner. The most popular symmetric key is cryptography system, is data encryption system. Second one is hash function. There is no usage of any key in the algorithm. Hash value with fixed length is calculated as per the plain text, which makes it impossible for content of plain text to be recovered. Here we don't have any key. Hash value with fixed length is calculated as per the plain text, which makes it impossible for content. Now asymmetric. Here we have two pair of key. One to encrypt the message, one to decrypt the message. Representation of cryptography. Here you can see plain text is there, encryption is there, cipher text is there. What is cipher text? It is the non-readable format. Decryption is there, then again plain text is there. Now there is two types of key, private key and public key. What is the difference between private and public key? Private key means same key is used for encryption and decryption, as we have studied symmetric cryptography, because the only key is copied or shared by another party. In public key, two keys are used. Another difference, private key is symmetric, as I have told you, and public key is asymmetric. Now there is one thing, resource record. What is that resource record? Commonly referred as RR. Is the unit of information entry in DNS, domain name system zone file. Resource record are the basic building block of host name and IP information are used to resolve the DNS queries. Resource record exists as many types to provide extended name resolution service. Now after studying that, I hope you will be able to solve these assessment questions. First one is, what is cryptography and its benefits? What are the few major applications of cryptography in the modern world? What is decryption? What exactly do you know about RSA? It is an algorithm. I will make you understand about RSA and DSA. Name the element of cryptographic tool. There are some cryptographic tool also. What are the prime objective of modern cryptography? And what is digital signature algorithm? what is one-way function, and what is quantum cryptography. What do you mean by DNA computing? So these are the things which I will also make you understand, and you will also try to solve this. After doing that, you will be able to answer any kind of question from the topic cryptography. So till then, please watch my channel and go through the videos. Till then, thank you very much and have a nice day. Thank you.